Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this special show. On tonight's menu, Cuban pork roast, garlic herb roasted potatoes, carrots, and zucchini. Just after prep, the mise en place for the marinade, all the marinade items in the bowl, and it's all mixed up. The pork is in the marinade, getting ready to go in the cold box. And it's going to be in the cold box for several hours. Here it is, ready to go into the hot box. Here it is, in the hot box. The first round of vegetables ready to go in the hot box. Here's the pork roast just out of the hot box. The second round of veggies going into the hot box. Here's the pork after being shredded. Here's the veggies after being roasted finally. And here's the final presentation. Merry Christmas from Robin and I, and have fun cooking.